Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to have you add sound effects to um, your Connect 4 game. So the first thing I need to do is I need to find some sound files. I need to add them to my project. So I need to go to the project menu. I need to go down to the bottom where it says properties, and then I'm going to click on the resources tab, and I'm going to go to the add resources, and I'm going to go add existing file. So then I'm going to browse out into where all my sounds are, and I'm pretty sure for you it will be on the F drive under ICS under, let's see, it would be called sounds or sprites, somewhere in there. Uh, and I'm going to make sure that I have the mask set for audio. And now I'm going to find two sounds. So I will just use, let's see, I don't want hyphens in them. So let me use electricity. And I'm also going to add existing file. We'll do something. I'll do electricity too. Okay, so now I go back to my code, and if I can find it, there it is. And I do this. I say up at the top I need to declare two media system.media.sound effect variables. So I'm going to do actually I'm sorry, sound player variables. So I'm going to call it red sound, and then I'm going to make another one, and actually you can do it on the same line, and I'm going to say yellow sound. Okay, then I'm going to go down to the load event of my project, and I'm going to type yellow sound equals new system.media.sound player, and then I'm going to say properties.resources dot electricity semicolon. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing for red sound. So I'm going to say red sound equals, and then I think it's electricity too. Okay, so now whenever the person plays, so for example, I'm just going to add this line of code. So whenever red plays, I'm going to say red sound dot play. Okay, and then whenever yellow sound plays, or whenever yellow plays, I'm going to add the line yellow sound dot play. Okay, so let's see, this is column 5. So to test it out, let me just finish adding the reds and the yellows. Okay. All right, and now let me add the yellow sound dot plays for the yellow, and then we'll try it out. Okay, and now let's run it and see if we hear the sound effects. Yes, we do. Okay, so that's how to add a sound effect uh, to your game. And oh, I see red one. And that should do it.